What's up, guys? It is Andy here, and today we're playing Animal Jam. Yes, I'm still on the phone, and this is a 3D one, so yeah, it's pretty cool. And I got a pet. I played this like a long time. I don't really play it that much because I'm more into Roblox stuff and Minecraft, and yeah. But yeah. Anyways, yeah. So. Yeah, that's what I am. My username is Radio JH Haley. If you want to see our real names, if you want to see I just changed setting. And so we have 2 quests, or whatever it is. No, the map thing. So yeah, let's try to do that. I am very low on crystals, so yeah, let's do the safari one. Yeah, I do the safaris one. Second, no, I need at least 1 safari. Yeah, 2 safaris. Thank you. Darn it. Well, at least I got 2 safaris. Let's try again. I'm gonna pick random. Alright. Alright. Good. Oh my god, I'm so sorry, but I was just gonna record Roblox, but the video was so bad because I forgot I was recording. So, yeah. What did someone say in chat? Alright. I want to trade with someone. I want to trade spikes, but no one gets me spike. But yeah, can we trade this guy? I don't know if we can. Oh, yeah. Anyway, do you want to hear some music? I wonder if you guys could hear music or not. Wait, is the music off? Hold on, let me see. It's not letting me. What? I can't hear it. I don't know why. Anyway, where are we gonna go? Is there anything like new updates? I mean, I know the updates, but let's check the mark, because I have a castle, which it's the Princess Palace one. Yeah, that's the one I have. Let's see. Oh, where am I going around with this one? Oh, yeah. Do you see how low I am? Oh my god, a tablet. A tablet. What? A tablet? Oh my god. I need to get. I'm gonna save like so much up. I haven't been playing this for a long time, so there's like a bunch of new stuff. Okay, that's it. Yeah, these are really cool. Oh yeah, let's just play some mini games from now on. We're gonna play mini games, and if any of my friends are right now online, I'll tell them that I am recording Dark Knight. Yeah, I'm gonna tell you. I'm gonna tell him. Oh wait, I can't, cause darn it. I forgot. Need mom and dad, yeah. Can I get free chat update? You send email. Email sent. Alright, good. So yeah, let's go play games. Yeah, there's something called Gem Raker, but it doesn't give you like a like a lot of like gems. So gem. Oh my god, it's gonna be really you. It's you falling. I picked the wrong game. I'm so stupid. Anyway, that one. Yes, quick. By the way, vlog will be starting soon. If I get like at least like 20 subs or something like that. I don't know. Oh, okay. Quake. Who is this? Okay, I want to trade with someone before I do like anything. Can I trade? Wait, this guy has Pegasus wings. No. Okay. Can I trade you? Do you have it? Oh, review. For your... Oh, yeah! I'll trade it. I'll trade that. Thank you. Molly. Yeah, thank you. Thank you for the trade. I was even looking for a trade. Oh my god, they have a fedora. The fedoras are like really cool. Like I want one, but I don't think I want to trade for it because I don't really have any the good stuff. You know what I mean? Trade on Spike. Oh, trade on Spike. Trade on Spike. Wait, what? Trade on Spike, yeah. Can I trade with your Spike, please? Something. Should I trade my ice armor? We'll do it. We will do it. Oh, darn it. Wait, how much gems do I have? 44. I think the ice was like 50 or something. The highest. Alright. Right. Anyway, yeah. So we'll just have to... What? Darn it! I wanted to trade the Spike. What if it was like a troll? Oh, that would have been bad. Yeah, I've actually got trolled on Roblox. Not Roblox. Animal Jam. To tell you the truth, I did. Be quiet, Charger. Oh my god, Chargers hate me. Can I trade your art law? No wall art. Yeah, that's what I want to trade. Let's trade what should we trade this guy? What should we trade? I have ultra rare. Well, just like Safari stuff. Now let's just give him classy. Very, very classy. With stone. And a cowboy. What will you accept? Accept the request. Yay, thank you. Thank you for trading with me. Thank you. I think people are nice when they trade with me. Because no one usually likes trading with me. Say like I was gonna trade someone with a Spike. I was gonna trade someone a Spike. It's like, literally, I traded them all the pieces of Pegasus armor and like ice armor. I literally wasted all of my safaris on all that stuff, which I was so sad about it. Cause they said yes because they scammed me, but they actually took, like, I literally wasted all my safaris on that, which is really sad. And they did not like it, and I was so sad when they said that. Yeah, but I just want to say that was really mean of you to do that. But if that person is watching this video, please just don't do that again. If we see each other, Yahoo. Boat had yeah. Does this guy have another good trade? Should we get a soccer goal? I don't know. I don't really know what I'm gonna do. Who cares though? Someone is trading. Trading. Yeah, I think I'm gonna end this episode right here, actually. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Okay. Hope you enjoy it. Bye. Out. Why is it not ready? Oh my god. I can't turn it on.